Japan's history is a tapestry woven with threads of tradition, culture, and innovation. It begins in prehistoric times, with evidence of early human activity dating back to the Paleolithic era. The Jomon period, characterized by its distinctive pottery, gave way to the Heiwa period, marked by the introduction of rice farming and metalworking. The Asuka and Nara periods saw the consolidation of power by the imperial family and the influence of Buddhism, which left an indelible mark on Japanese culture. The Heian period followed, celebrated as a golden age of literature and art, epitomized by works like The Tale of Genji. During the Kamakura and Muromachi periods, Japan was characterized by feudal strife and the rise of the samurai class. The Sengoku period, known as the Warring States period, was an era of social upheaval, political intrigue, and near-constant military conflict, eventually leading to the unification of Japan under the Tokugawa shogunate in the early 17th century. This ushered in the Edo period, a time of relative peace, isolation, and cultural development. The Meiji Restoration of 1868 marked a significant turning point, as Japan rapidly modernized and industrialized, emerging as a global power by the early 20th century. The devastation of World War II and the subsequent U.S. occupation led to a period of reconstruction and economic growth, transforming Japan into a technological and economic powerhouse. Amidst this rich historical backdrop, a unique cultural phenomenon began to take shape: anime. Emerging in the early 20th century, anime was heavily influenced by Western animation. However, it quickly developed its own distinctive style and themes. Post-war Japan saw the rise of Osamu Tezuka, often referred to as the god of manga, whose work laid the groundwork for modern anime. The 1960s and 70s marked the proliferation of anime TV series, with shows like Astro Boy and Speed Racer capturing the imaginations of audiences. The 1980s and 90s saw anime's golden age, with blockbuster films like Akira and series like Neon Genesis Evangelion pushing the boundaries of storytelling and animation. Anime is now a global phenomenon, with studios like Studio Ghibli and directors such as Hayao Miyazaki and Makoto Shinkai gaining international acclaim. It spans genres, from action-packed adventures and romantic comedies to philosophical sci-fi and horror. Anime conventions draw fans from all over the world, celebrating this unique cultural export.